I'm Joshua Dawson here in Santorini. Santorini is the biggest and most famous island in Greece's archipelago on the Aegean Sea. Ia is the image of Santorini. With its blue and white buildings flooding the island mimicking the Greek flag, Ia is the hotspot for visitors and tourists. The Greek delicacy is the gyro. A gyro is made by cutting up meat and placing it in a toasted pita bread with dressing, fries, and salad, making every bite delicious. And their desserts always seem to satisfy. I am now heading down to the coast where boats ferry passengers from their leisurely cruises out to the island. You can also take a donkey ride all the way up back to the city from the coast. As you can see, I am very much enjoying this bumpy ride. After my donkey ride, I head back to Ia, where I join the tourists as they gather for the evening sunset. You'll be lucky if you can find a spot as crowds clamor for just the right view. But it's all worth it in the end. After the sun has set, I enjoy dessert and the night sky. There are many attractions, but I think one of the best is the beaches of Santorini. Join the tourists as they dive in the waters, bathe in the sunlight, and enjoy a hearty meal. I, for one, am doing all three. Well, that's it for me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, folks. With its blue and white buildings, flooding the Greek delicacy. There are many attractions, but well, that's it for me.
Cool.
Ron, you want a shot?